Today I'm going to show you how to make this water fresh pearl necklace with a very easy simple steps, especially for the beginners. So I got this 14K gold connector and the neon wire that you can connect all the beads. So first you need to fold this wire that you need and then go through one of the holes to this connector. Then afterwards you need to make a knot. Once you finish this knot, you are going to put some like gold or silver, whatever you prefer to use, some bead that you can compress so you can set this wire not going to move. And so I'm going to show you what I was talking about. This is a very little bead that you need to go into through two wire, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So you put this inside and make sure it's covered this knot you just made, right? And you use the eraser to compress it and very tightly. So it's going to set over there. It's not going to move. It's going to be very beautiful. So once you finish that, I put another connector into the wire yes, that's what I'm doing. So once I finish this, I'm going to fold it so I can cover the knot which I just made, so I can cover it, and you want to see very outside, so it's going to be very fine and clean finish. If you don't really understand what I'm doing this step, and just let me know, I can explain it very well for you. Or just notice that my video seems like not so clear enough. I just worry some people, they just still don't understand what I'm doing. Once you finish that, and I supposed to have the needle, but I don't have it, so I just fold this wire and it directly goes through the water fresh pearl. So the water fresh pearl, I choose two sizes, and one big size, and then I also use the gold bead to split the different size, so that looks better to me. So one bigger size fresh pearl, one smaller gold bead, and one smaller size water fresh pearl, that make the necklace looks more pretty to me. That's what I'm thinking. It turned out so great. I'm kind of surprised. I thought it's not going to be so great. I noticed that the gold bead is just really stand out from the water fresh pearl, and it makes so stunning, and it's so easy to match all kinds of outfit. So once you get through this tutorial, so the rest step pretty much the same. We just keep going, use white pearl, gold bead, a smaller bead, and keep going like that until you finish the end. And I'm going to show you what does that look like after we finish the whole necklace. So a lot of people ask me, what is the length? It's really up to you. It's really up to you. You can always put it on your neck and see how much you need more, and that's how I think. If you want a longer, if you want to like a choker, like tighter, that's really up to you. Now I almost finished my necklace length, so I'm going to put the smaller compressible small gold bead. Then I'm going to put the other connector. I don't really know how to say that, but that's how I'm going to show you how I made it. So I went through the same hole, and then I'm going to connect the flower connector after I finish all of them. So now I'm going to connect the flower part. Then I'm going to wire around and then go through the smaller bead again and then go through the smaller attachment again. So now I finish this part, so I'm going to use my T-razor to compress that again and make it tight enough. So I want to make sure my necklace is not going to be loose. So once I finish the whole part, and just make sure to tight around the end of the necklace again. So you want to make sure your necklace is tight enough. So you want to make sure the bead, the pearl is not going to fall off from your neck when you're wearing it. You want to make sure it's very secure and safe enough and for you. Okay, here you go. My very beautiful water fresh pearl necklace is done. If you like my tutorial and my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.